Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm ReyRey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know I look a hot mess right now, and this is why I'm gonna get ready in front of you guys, and I wanted to show you what I've been doing lately. It's a very easy peasy dewy glowy makeup look, so if you're a beginner then it's totally fine. So I'm gonna start as usual with my brows first. The eyebrow pencil that I'm gonna use is this one from MAKIAGE. I don't know if you guys can see this, and the tip is very thin, so it makes the whole application very easy and precise. I'm gonna do this real quick. I feel like it's the most boring part of, like makeup tutorials. Like, this is the only thing I do. I just use the brow pencil and then use the concealer to just clean everything, and then that's all. I was actually thinking about doing my eyeshadow first, and I think I'm gonna do my whole face. Next thing I'm gonna use is the MAKIAGE foundation. Woke up like this. So there it is. Much better. Now I'm gonna use my Perfecting Concealer Longwear. Cute, right? And I'm gonna use it with the cream shader brush. So if you guys are interested in getting this, this is what it looks like. It's from MAKIAGE as well. But yeah, it's from MAKIAGE as well. So I'm just gonna apply it on the brush and just the LA Girl Pro Concealer. It looks good, right? Now I'm gonna use this. Now I'm gonna use this oh my god. Now I'm gonna use this. Now I'm gonna use this transparent loose powder. It smells like powdered milk. Look how crazy I look on the camera, but then right here you can barely see it. So wait, I have to see like what's going on. I'm gonna use the Mineral Baked Bronzer, Waka Waka. This is what it looks like. This is the highlighter, and this is called Chandelier. Ooh, it looks so beautiful. What I'm gonna do is just spray my face, the hydrating setting spray. So refreshing. Oh, so refreshing. Oh my god. So I've done my face. Now I'm gonna do something very, very simple. And the only thing that I'm gonna use is, look at the packaging, you guys. And this is from MAKIAGE as well. So fancy. And then look at the colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Red Bottoms, it's called. I'm just gonna apply it like honestly all over my lid. And now the only thing that I'm gonna use is actually this color, and this color is Do Your Thing. And I'm gonna use my fingers because I've noticed that when I use my finger, it comes out more pigmented. So I'm just gonna use my finger and apply it in the middle. And now for, like the edges and stuff, I'm just gonna go back to this color, which is Red Bottoms, apply it on the side. So this is pretty much something that I do when, like depending on where I'm going, but usually when it's like an event or a party or something, I like to do this eye look because I feel like it's very quick to do and you don't have to do much. Like there's not many steps like to follow. This is all I do. Do You Think color in my inner corner. red bottom and apply it like under my lashes. The ink liner. Okay, I just got done applying the lashes. It's short, it's not too dramatic. I'm just gonna use the mascara now. And this is the tip. I'm just gonna apply it on my bottom lashes. So I'm done with the eyes. This dark brown lip liner. I mean, look at this color, it's so beautiful. And I'm gonna combine it with this cashmere. This is from BH Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love the fact that it gives me this like glowy dewy look. I don't know if it's because of the hydrating setting spray, but this I feel like did something. I really like it and I hope you guys do too. Please give it a thumbs up, and until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.